Hello everybody. Today we are going to start with uh, after the check your progress one. Yes, today we'll start from 11.2.2 Preparing conversion plan. Let's begin. A conversion plan is a document which spells out detailed requirements for a successful conversion from existing system to proposed system. The complexity of conversion is directly proportional to the complexity of the system in question. An important role of systems analyst is to see that the newly designed system is implemented to the set specification. Conversion is just one aspect of implementation, other being software maintenance and system review. A proper conversion plan ensures that conversion from old system to new system is smooth without affecting the normal business operation. The conversion process can be tedious and disrupt normal functioning of system and also involves financial and human resources. A well-designed conversion plan facilitates a smooth switch over to the new system while keeping the cost and human involvement to the minimum. A typical conversion plan is a document that consists of the following information: guidelines regarding conversion processes involved and the roles of end user, planning conversion of files, creation of computer compatible files, types of conversion to be undertaken depending on the existing types of system. It could be from an existing manual system to a newly designed system, or from an existing old computerized system to a newly designed enhanced system. Types of conversion may be parallel, phased, or direct. Evaluation of hardware, software, and related services. 11.2.3 Installing database. Installation of database is nothing but creating computer readable files from the existing systems/documents. Each installation involves data. The new system is going to use data created either manually or data that has been obtained from the old system. If the current system is using computer readable data, it must be made error free and compatible for use in the new system. The data must be converted to the new format supported by the current technology on which the system is being developed. Usually there will be upward compatibility between various versions of software. The data conversion process can be tedious depending on the format supported by the new system. Special software are designed to facilitate the installation of database. Training the end user. Training the user is one of the vital activities. The project team must make sure that the end users are trained to operate the new system. Many systems fail to get implemented or deliver the desired result because the end users are not trained. Managers and the users must be trained on fundamentals of information technology in addition to knowing the operation of the new system. Training and support form the two crucial issues involving success of an information system. While training is imparted in a fixed schedule, support is an ongoing process. In support activity, the user is provided continual operational and technical support to carry out the work. Support materials are developed to facilitate this task. The goal of any training and support activity is to achieve highest possible productivity with lowest cost. Training may involve the following activities: entering the data into the system, generating the required reports, basic training of computers not specific to the application program, like copying of files, starting and shutting down system, etc. Briefing about hardware and software concepts, reporting non-compliance and bugs in the program, process of taking backup of daily work. There is no exhaustive list of training requirement of the end user and can vary depending on the nature of application. The training must be scheduled in logical sequence depending on the prerequisite for the next module of the training. A dependency chart could be useful for this purpose. Training can be imparted in different ways: computer aided training, classroom tutorial, interactive training manual, resident technical expert, one to one training, external sources information center slash help desks. Many organizations have a well developed automated support mechanism for end user support. To make a system success, following issues should be taken care of. Develop a satisfactory support base for providing support to the user. Obtain user participation and commitments. Institutionalize the system of training and insist on mandatory use of the information system. Regular training should become part of the organization's policy as information system changes as per the requirement of the organization and new features are added. Preparing user manual. All information systems are unique and different from one another. Documentation starts from the day one of system development lifecycle, but preparation of end user documentation is of specific importance as the end user does not understand the intricacies of system development and hence operational problems are bound to occur. Documentation of any information system is generally of two types: system documentation and user documentation. System documentation contains detailed information about system's design specification, its internal structure, and related technical details. The system documents are primarily for the programmer for maintenance purpose. The user documentation, on the other hand, is for the end user. The document should be structured and self contained. A user manual generally contains written as well as pictorial representation of the information system about its working and application. A well designed user manual can reduce the overall cost of training and support. Online help system with hyperlinks and context sensitive help systems are slowly replacing bulky and non-interactive documents. The following are the components of a user manual: title and version of software release, table of contents, salient features of the product, installation guide and system requirements, getting started, frequently asked questions, sample scenarios, glossary of terms used in the manual, known bugs in the applications. With changing technology, user documentation is often bundled to the information system. It is a separate document. Online documentations are being extensively utilized in user environments due to their convenience. Context sensitive helps are making the user's life easy by reducing the time to browse the bulky documents. Converting to the new system. Actual conversion process involves equipments, personal data and financial resources. The process of conversion from the existing system, manual or computerized, to the newly developed system can be performed in several ways, depending on the criticality of the system and other related issues. Direct conversion. This is abrupt approach. The old system is shut down and the new system starts. This kind of conversion, although economical, the users are at the mercy of the new system. Hence, a direct installation can be very risky, sometimes due to procedural reason where two systems can be run parallel. This kind of conversion is the only option. When the new system fails, there is no way to start the old system as a backup as it has been shut down. This kind of conversion plan is often the least preferred for critical business application. So, yes, we have pilot conversion. This is the middle path approach. Instead of converting all at once throughout the organization, the kind of pilot installation involves conversion/installation of system at a single pre-decided location. The location may be a branch office of the organization. Proper selection of the pilot site is important as it should be able to perform a true conversion process to test all functionalities of the new system. The advantage of the pilot conversion is that the potential risk is in case of failure of the system is limited to a single location. Once the user is ascertained that the implementation of the system has been successful in a particular location, it is proposed to replicate the system in other locations. Although this kind of pilot conversion plan is beneficial for the user, it places a substantial burden on the implementation team as it has to maintain two systems in parallel. Parallel conversion is least risk prone under this kind of conversion. The old system is allowed to run alongside the new system until the management and the end user are satisfied with the result of the new system. It is compared with the new system to test whether the functionalities covered by the old system are thoroughly covered in the new system by comparing the outputs. Errors and bugs identified with the new system are not detrimental for normal functioning of the organization as the new system is replaced and normal functions are resumed by the old system. Parallel conversion is costly as two systems are run in parallel but results of only one system are used for business operations. Phased conversion is an incremental approach to switch over to the new system. Different subsystems of the new system is used in conjunction until the whole new system is converted. This kind of approach for conversion limits the potential risk of failure of the new system. In a phased installation, as a subsystem is made functional, actual results are visible before the whole new system is made functional. Each conversion strategy not only involves data and software but also other resources like personnel, hardware, etc. Hardware and software selection is an important issue to be considered before actually carrying the conversion. So we come to the end, and the answers of check your progress will be soon available in the description. So check that out. So thank you. Until then, keep exploring.